Hi everyone, this is Sheikh Shahrukh. Welcome to Shara Speaker channel. Today I want to talk about a very important topic. Really, my dear friends, this video is going to change something in your life. My topic is that what do we really need? आज हमें किस चीज की जरूरत है? When it is night, it is difficult to see what is what and who is who and where we are, because ignorance means you do not know and ignorance is due to darkness. जब रात होती है तो हम पहचानने में बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती है कि क्या क्या है, कौन कौन है और हम कहाँ खड़े हुए हैं। अगर आपके पास कोई मकसद नहीं होगा, कोई गोल नहीं होगा, कोई एम नहीं होगा, अगर आपके जिंदगी में कोई भी ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं होगा तो आपको क्या क्या है ये नजर नहीं आता और कौन कौन है ये भी नजर नहीं आता और आप किस स्टेज पर खड़े हुए ये भी मुश्किल हो जाता है समझने के लिए। Remember one thing, my dear friends, and ignorance means you do not know, because ignorance is due to darkness. But remember one thing, in the darkness you do not get to know what is the ending, what is the starting. However long you may go straight, you only get peace in the light of knowledge. आप अंधेरे में चाहे कितना भी भटक लो, आपको ना तो शुरुआत का पता चलता ना खत्म का पता चलता, लेकिन सुकून तो इल्म के रोशनी में ही मिलता है। बट व्हेन द लाइट within us is allowed to shine, all ignorance is dispelled. जब हमें कोई चीज करने के लिए अंदर से इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है तो सभी इग्नोरेंस, सभी डार्कनेस खत्म हो जाती है। बट इट्स हार्ड नॉट टू सॉल्व, इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू सॉल्व. व्हाई आर वी सो वराशियस फॉर लैंड एंड प्रॉपर्टी when we should try to be creative, not famous? You should, first of all, you should be creative. You should work on your daily routine. You should focus on your study. Okay, tell me one thing. Was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam creative first or famous first? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was creative first, not famous first. Was Sachin Tendulkar creative first or famous first? Sachin Tendulkar was creative first. That's why you should be creative first. You should work hard. But sometimes it's hard to be like this. We should not detest the diseased, because all living creatures are connected with one and another. Most of time, what do? If my friend has a disease, mentally disease and physically disease, but we do not talk to him. If he has a jealous, if he has an anger, you should talk to him. You should try to read these diseases. But we do not talk to them. You should try to mend their diseases. You should try to improve their qualities. If you cannot mend their violence, cool-hearted, envious, jealous, you cannot love anyone. Just as a piece of iron covered by dust or rust is not attracted to the magnet, in the same way the energy of every human being is naturally attracted to goodness, which is like supreme magnet. एक लोहा जो नेचुरली तौर पर मैग्नेट से चिपकता, उसी तरह आपकी जो पोटेंशियल, योर पावर, योर एनर्जी इज नेचुरली अट्रैक्टेड टू गुडनेस. Then one question should be arised here: why do so many engage in ungodly activities? Ungodly activities means they do not work, they are lazy, they have time to watch status on WhatsApp, but they do not have time to do something creative in their life. So people are diseased. We should love the one who is suffering from this disease, because they are destroying their life. Their pure power is obscured by illusion, ignorance and laziness. My dear friends, your pure power, your energy, your potential is being covered by laziness. आपकी जो ताकत है, जो आपकी पोटेंशियल है, वो छुप रही है, वो बाहर नहीं आ रही है. इसी वजह से नहीं आ रही कि आप स्टडी करने के बजाय आप लेजीनेस की वजह से आपके ओरिजिनल पावर को, पोटेंशियल को, उसको छुपा रहे हैं इग्नोरेंस की वजह से. नो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू हैव टू ब्रिंग आउट द बेस्ट इन यू. You should work hard. Then how can we bring out the best in us? The source of knowledge, power is within all of us. Then why are we in the darkness? हर इंसान के पास ताकत होती है, पोटेंशियल होती है, एनर्जी होती है. Just we have to log on it. But why are we in darkness? Simply because we cannot perceive its presence. When there is dark clouds, you cannot see the sun. And this cloud of ignorance, which is main disease, which creates all the symptoms in the form of unwanted activities and thoughts, is covering your power within us. You must have understood. Thank you for it. Thank you.